Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a courier job application letter, step by step, in a way that is professional, clear, and easy to follow. A courier job application letter is a formal letter written to a courier or delivery company to apply for a position as a courier or delivery driver. This letter introduces you, explains your delivery experience, highlights important skills like punctuality, accuracy, and reliability, and shows why you would be a trustworthy representative of the company. Because couriers handle time-sensitive and sometimes important items, this letter needs to show responsibility, professionalism, and strong work ethic. Now let's go through the letter from the very top, and for each part, I'll explain what to write, why it's important, tips to remember, and then I'll read the full sample paragraph so you know exactly what to write when you're creating your own letter. Check this out. Applicant's contact information. We start with your contact information at the top of the letter. This section includes your full name, address, email address, and phone number. This is how the employer knows who you are and how to contact you if they want to invite you for an interview. For courier jobs, employers often need quick communication, so this part is very important. A good tip is to use a professional email address and make sure your phone number is correct and active. Here's how it appears in the sample letter. Anthony L. Perez, 6148 Harborview Street, Tampa, Florida, 33615. Email anthony.perez@email.com. Phone 813-57-26409. Date. Next, we include the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps keep the application organized and professional. Always write the full date instead of using numbers only. In this letter, the date is written as Date, March 21st, 2026. Employer's information. After the date, we write the employer's information. This includes the company name and address. Writing this correctly shows attention to detail and respect for the employer. It also makes your letter feel personalized instead of generic. Here's the sample employer information. Hiring manager, Swift Drop Courier Services, 2890 West Cypress Street, Tampa, Florida, 33609. Subject line. Now let's look at the subject line. The subject line clearly tells the employer why you're writing. Hiring managers may receive many applications, so this helps them quickly identify your letter. Keep it short and specific, like this. Subject: Application for courier position. Salutation. Next comes the salutation, which is your greeting. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, Dear Hiring Manager is a professional and safe choice. Always remember to include the comma after the greeting. First paragraph. Introduction and purpose. Now let's move into the first main paragraph, which is your introduction. In this paragraph, you should clearly state the position you're applying for, briefly mention your delivery experience, and show enthusiasm for the company. This paragraph creates your first impression, so it should sound confident and responsible. Why this paragraph is important is because employers want to quickly know that you understand the role and take delivery work seriously. A good tip is to focus on reliability and professionalism rather than too many details at this stage. Here's the full sample paragraph. I am writing to apply for the courier position at Swift Drop Courier Services. I have experience handling time-sensitive deliveries and understand the importance of accuracy, reliability, and professionalism when transporting packages and documents. I am motivated to contribute to a company known for dependable service. Second paragraph. Work experience and responsibilities. Now we move on to the second paragraph, which focuses on your work experience and daily responsibilities. This paragraph explains what you currently do or have done as a delivery driver, such as handling parcels, following routes, and meeting deadlines. This is important because courier companies need employees who can work efficiently and independently. A helpful tip is to mention practical skills like GPS navigation, record keeping, and following procedures. because these show that you understand how courier operations work. Here's the full sample paragraph. In my current role as a delivery driver with CityLink Logistics, I'm responsible for collecting and delivering parcels along assigned routes while ensuring timely and secure handling of all items. I'm familiar with using GPS navigation, maintaining delivery records, and following company procedures to meet daily delivery targets. Third paragraph. Personal qualities and company interest. Next is the third paragraph, where you explain why you want to work for this company and highlight your personal strengths. Courier jobs require punctuality, attention to detail, and good communication. Employers also want couriers who represent the company well when interacting with customers. A good tip here is to show that you respect the company's reputation and that your work habits match their standards. Here's the full sample paragraph. I am particularly interested in joining Swift Drop Courier Services because of its strong reputation for efficiency and customer satisfaction. I am punctual, detail-oriented, and comfortable working independently while maintaining clear communication with dispatch and customers. I also take pride in presenting myself professionally during every delivery. Fourth paragraph. Interview request and availability. Now let's move to the closing paragraph. This paragraph politely asks for the opportunity to discuss the position further. It should sound confident but respectful and show that you're ready for the next step. A helpful tip is to mention your availability and preferred contact methods. Here's the sample paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my delivery experience and strong work ethic can support your courier operations. I'm available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Sign off and signature. Now we finish the letter with a professional closing. Use a formal sign-off like "Sincerely," followed by your signature and full name. Here's how it appears. Sincerely. Signature. Anthony L. Perez. Before we wrap up, here are some overall tips for writing a strong courier job application letter. Always be honest about your experience and skills. Keep your tone professional, clear, and confident. Focus on reliability, time management, and customer service, because these are key qualities for any courier role. Make sure your letter is well organized, easy to read, and free from spelling or grammar mistakes. Remember, this letter is often your first impression, so make it count. Take your time, personalize your letter for each company, and let your professionalism show through your writing. And that's it. That's how you write a courier job application letter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step writing guides. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.